When are you introducing the cat to us? Actually, I can show you Boo right now. Let me go get him. Hey, Boo. I love you so much. You're so cute.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I feel bad because he was asleep. He was like tucked in and everything. Nice and snug. He's literally the cutest thing.
Bruh.
Look at the people. My little famous. Why are you looking at me like that? Alright, well, yeah, this is Boo. He is my little baby.